Your attitude is what decides how much respect you will get, how much value you will be given. Your attitude is what directly guides your life and brings it into shape. And to become the king of your life, you have to fix your attitude. You need an attitude that makes you so strong, so powerful, that people are forced to respect you, forced to notice you, how much you are struggling in your life, what your relationship life is like, how your career is. All of these things directly and indirectly depend on what your attitude is like. The way your attitude is, that's the way your life will keep becoming. And today I will tell you everything about attitude that no one else is going to tell you. After watching this video till the end, you will also be able to develop such an attitude within yourself. You will become a person who is not easy to defeat, who will be successful in every field of life, who will not force people to give him value. Rather, people will respect him on their own. And for this, today I will give you 6 points. Number 6 is the most important point. So don't make the mistake of missing it. And listen to me with full focus, because these few minutes can change your entire life if you are serious about your life. Look, a few years ago my attitude was also very weak. I was falling far behind in my life. I was failing in everything. My relationship life was getting ruined. And then when I built this attitude within myself, since then I started living my dream life. I have gained so much confidence that nothing can break me easily now. So you can also develop the same attitude within yourself. And for that, the first point says, number 1, think like a king. Look, to build a powerful attitude, first of all, you have to change your mindset. With the mindset you are holding right now, you can never move forward. You can never become powerful. If you are insecure about yourself, finding flaws in yourself, thinking you are less than others, then you will always remain the same. However you are, learn to accept yourself. Change your thinking. Build such an attitude within yourself. Build such an attitude that there is no one like you. You are a unique person in this world, the way you can think. No one else in this world can think the same way. Don't compare yourself with anyone, because no one is like you. Bring a king-like attitude within yourself. Think like an emperor. An emperor never doubts himself. He is never insecure. Whatever he does it with full confidence. He believes in himself so much that whatever he is doing is right. And it is because of this attitude that he is called a king. Whereas a weak person always keeps doubting himself, considers himself less than others, keeps running after others, but never values himself. Look, others will not value you until you value yourself, until you respect yourself, recognize yourself, and find your weaknesses and fix them. You don't have to sit with your weaknesses or overthink about them. You have to fix them. You have to learn to live like an emperor. Number 2, don't take everything seriously. A strong attitude. This means don't let everything take over your mind. Don't get worried about every little thing. Don't let everything break you. Don't take everything seriously. There will be many ups and downs in your life. There will be hurdles, but you have to keep your attitude in such a way that nothing can disturb you too much. Learn to handle things. Stop worrying about everything. Whenever you overthink too much and stay overly stressed, you are only making yourself weak. Instead, ask yourself this question: is this in my control? If it is in your control, then try to fix it. And if it is outside your control, then stop taking it seriously. Don't let everything sit on your brain. Otherwise, you will never move forward. You will stay stuck in those same things. Look, travelers of big goals never fight with the road. They don't fight with small people. They don't get scared of what small-minded people say. They don't take their words seriously. On your path to, many people will come who will speak badly about you, who will call you a loser, but never let their words get into your head. This is the attitude you have to build within yourself. Stop taking people's words seriously. And this is what a powerful person does. Number 3, don't react, just notice. Never overreact to things. Instead, notice things. The moment you start overreacting, you begin to become a weak person. Instead of that, you need to observe the people around you. Understand the situation carefully. What is happening around you? Observe. The stronger your power of observation is, the more easily you will be able to handle things and deal with them. If people are doing bad to you, never react. Just keep noting everything. When the time comes, they will get their answer. But if you react beforehand and become emotional, you will never become powerful. And the more you observe others, their actions, what they are doing and what they are going to do, the more powerful you will become. You will start gaining the power to easily read people, to understand who is going to do what. You will be able to predict others' actions easily, and this will make you a winner. You will, without even talking, you will be able to understand their intentions. Number 4, walk-away attitude. Look when someone is not valuing you. When you are being ignored, you should know how to leave that situation. Never be so emotionally attached to someone that you start sacrificing yourself just to get their attention. Look, you can compromise on everything, but never compromise on your values and your self-respect. A powerful person is the one who knows how to ignore others, who knows how to let things go. And this is something you will also have to learn in your life, because the more you beg for attention and keep running after people, the more they will use you. A powerful attitude means you can leave anyone in A. Second, if someone is not respecting you, it should not be difficult for you to get up from that table. Nothing should stop you. You should be able to walk away easily while protecting your values. People should know that this person will never compromise on self-respect. They don't compromise, then people will automatically start staying within their limits. No one will say anything to you that you don't like. No one will do anything you don't approve of. Everyone will start staying in your control because they will know that it takes you only a second to walk away from anyone. You won't be so attached to someone that when they leave, you become depressed or put your life on hold. Never stop your life for anyone. Don't stay depressed for anyone. If someone leaves, let them go. Set your boundaries. Build a strong image. When you have this attitude, people will automatically start chasing you. They will respect you, and you will keep becoming a powerful person. Number 5, don't cry. In earlier times, people used to say that men never cry, that men don't feel pain. But in today's time, males are becoming so weak that they start crying in front of everyone. It's a small line that men don't feel pain, but it's very deep. A man should never cry in front of others. He should never show his weakness to anyone. You should not share your life problems in front of everyone. No matter how tough your life is going, cry in front of everyone and begging in front of everyone makes you a weak person. A powerful person never reveals his weakness to anyone because he knows people will use it, take advantage of it, and consider him weak. He always shows his strength in front of others. He appears satisfied in front of others. He keeps a smile on his face as if his life is going great. And this is the attitude you should have within yourself. Stop crying in front of everyone. No one will really come to help you. Everyone will just watch the show. Everyone will be happy seeing you weak. Solve your problems and difficulties on your own. Build the strength to face them yourself. Build courage. Never depend on others because your expectations make you weak. The more you depend on others, if you keep sitting there depending on others, you will keep tying yourself down. You will keep limiting your own power. To become a strong person, you have to build such an image in front of others that you are so strong, so powerful, that nothing can disturb you. Number 6, think before speaking. If you just keep saying whatever comes to your mind, it will become a big problem for you. First, you have a filter in your mind what should be said and what should not be said. Think before you speak. To become the king of your life, to become a powerful person, you have to learn to control your words. You have to learn self-control in communication. One of the most powerful techniques is to speak less and listen more. Learn more about others, because when you speak less and listen more, you will understand others' weaknesses. You will know what the other person is thinking, what mindset they have, what they like and what they dislike. Then, accordingly, you will be able to deal with that person. Never lose control over yourself. Don't talk so much. While sitting with someone that you start revealing things about yourself that should have stayed hidden. An intelligent person knows when to speak, how much to speak, and what to speak, whereas a foolish person just keeps talking. Your silence shows your power. It shows your attitude. Others keep wondering about you, what you're going to do next, what you are thinking, what is going on in your mind. But when you talk too much, you hand over all your plans, intentions, and power to others. They get to know how much potential you have, and then they deal with you accordingly. If you stay silent, this attitude will make you more attractive. These 6 points will fix your attitude. If you are still watching the video, then comment yes, because many people must have left this video already, because by watching reels again and again, people's attention span has been destroyed. I want to see how many people are still here who have control over themselves. If you like the video, then give it a like. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you get every new video first. Thank you for watching.